Talking about brake fluid? Is there any liquid in the brake?
Yes. The hydraulic brake, such as the disc brake, grips the disc that rotates with the wheel strongly to apply braking. It needs help from the brake fluid.
Doctor, when you grip the brake lever, the force is transmitted through the brake fluid to grip the disc.
Which means, the brake fluid is very important. I see, doctor, thanks.
Wait a minute. Today's lesson hasn't started yet. It is not that simple that it is all right if the level is not low.
Really? What does it mean?
Old brake fluid may lead to vapor lock.
Vapor lock. What's that?
When vapor lock occurs, there are some bubbles in the brake fluid due to the heat from braking.
Really? Then, what happens to the brake when there are bubbles?
Brake becomes less effective. The force applied to the brake lever is not easily transmitted.
Old brake fluid is dangerous.
Not only that, brake fluid absorbs water in the air while it is being used. Because of this water, the brake parts get rusted and brake does not work well.
I didn't know that either. You need to replace it right now.
Brake fluid should be replaced every 2 years. Let's go to Honda dealer and have it replaced.